Hello everybody, today I will show you one game versus GM Grandmaster. Go Czech 54 is me. I'm holding white pieces with with Enam Fin Master the Angel. So I win this game with a beautiful tactic, beautiful mind. So my opponent is hold black pieces and GM Gorgeous 54 is me. I'm holding white. So you see, he already loser. He play one more time. He didn't see, so I think he will still lose in this position. So in here, I have white pieces, and I play 10 plus 5. So in 46, the prayer of defense. E4, D6, prayer of defense, and D4. The latest master. Just and in here. Knight to F6. Okay, it's a common move. And knight to C3. And in here, didn't play this move. It's common. But he played just. So it's not a good move, but I know his idea. When I will castle queen side, what I will play because I want to attack king side, he will play B5, B4, A5, A4. So, F4. 3 pawn is the center. So very quickly, 3 pawn is the center. So very beautiful. White is already have advantage. And then in here, black right now. Play G6. I play knight to F3 with the knight. Sorry. So knight to F3, bishop to G4, pin my knight away because in here A3 is the most move play, but bishop to D3. So wait. And in here, bishop to G7, and right now A3. So we take, queen takes, and I go for the center first. And I think like I can play king move here because I have 2 pawns in the center, but he can play C5. Use the rook. So I just take the knight, and I cannot take the pawn because of this fork. So, a castle, long castle, A6, A6, H4. H4 is the idea of H5, and he chose a crazy defense. So knight to C6, H5, E6. I think in this moment he needs to play up, 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 up. But Blazing knight to C6, H5, A6, H8, G6, and black is losing. So this is going to be taken by the F pawn. If you take by the H pawn, we have queen to H3. He will need to defend, so he needs to move the king here, but he will still move here. Still move the bishop here, and black is losing. Because we have the black bishop. So in here, take by the F pawn, queen to A3, rook to F5, a beautiful move, rook to F5. He wants to eliminate my powerful bishop to a rook. And I didn't like it. I'm already a grandmaster versus a field master and I'm a grandmaster. I'm so very good. And I play the brilliant move is Queen to H7 check, and I play the brilliant move G4. Everybody with Magnus Carlsen, no, with Hikaru Nakamura, play blitz, he just take the rook, okay? But me, when I play blitz, I'm so very incredible. I'm so very brilliant, and I play G4. I didn't take. I just want to win a pawn. He just sacrificed, and right now he sacrificed the rook again. But I don't take. I play rook to F1 check. He sacrificed the rook, and now I take. I didn't want to take by the bishop. As why I will lose my powerful bishop. So this pawn is good because even look the color. And if you take by the E or G, I just sacrifice. And here, he needs to move the king. I didn't know where. And I can take the bishop, just sacrifice my rook. And I can play like this. It's incredible checkmate. So he didn't do that. He played queen to h8 and queen to g6, and right now he resigned. Oops. And right now he resigned. And why? Because if we move the king somewhere else, I just take with the check. If we move the king on f8, I can take with the check. Take with the check. Oh, king to f8, I can place an incredible move check. Okay, so my video is finished. So I loved my videos finished already. So don't forget to like, share, and give a comment for more Chess Academy. So if you know this opening, I will give you a present. I will teach you how to play good and how to become a grandmaster. If you know this opening, so start like this. And if you didn't know this opening, it's okay. You learn again, and then I will do another video, and you need to know this opening. And if you know this opening or the opening, if you are a grandmaster, I will teach you how to become a grandmaster, how to play with me. So I'm already a grandmaster, and I'm so very intelligent. So my video just finished, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Chess Academy. Bye bye. Bisous.